Can scientific advancements and new technologies play a role in helping humanity? If you expect a better world to come about from science or technology, that's wrong. If you really want a better world, a happier world, it ultimately depends on our hearts. 科学进步和新技术能在帮助人类方面发挥作用吗？如果你指望通过科学或技术来创造一个更美好的世界，那是错误的。如果你真正想要一个更美好、更幸福的世界，最终取决于我们的内心。